Are you tired of trying to track all your financial goals in one big spreadsheet? You know, the one where you've got a row for your emergency fund, another for that new car, and another for retirement, all jumbled together? It's messy, confusing, and honestly, a little overwhelming. But what if there was a better way? A way to keep your financial life organized, with a clear plan for each goal, all in one place. That's where Betterment comes in. Betterment is an investing and savings platform that helps you build wealth by setting up specific goals. And the best part is, you can have as many as you need. Setting up multiple goals in Betterment is a game changer for financial clarity and success. It allows you to create separate buckets for your different life goals, each with its own target amount, timeline, and even its own investment strategy. Let's say you're saving for a down payment on a house in 5 years. You can create a major purchase goal for that. Betterment will recommend a portfolio allocation that's appropriate for that specific timeline, likely a mix of stocks and bonds to balance growth and risk. At the same time, you can have a separate retirement goal with a much longer time horizon. For this one, Betterment will likely recommend a more aggressive, stock-heavy allocation to maximize long-term growth. And it's not just for big things. You can have a safety net or emergency fund goal that's focused on stability and liquidity, a vacation goal for that trip you've been dreaming of, or even a general investing goal for money that doesn't have a specific purpose yet. The process is simple. You log in, click Add New, and follow the prompts. You'll name your goal, set your target amount and date, and Betterment takes care of the rest, automatically allocating your contributions to the right place and rebalancing your portfolios to keep you on track. It takes the guesswork out of saving and investing and turns your financial life into an organized, actionable plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.